CCleaner. Although CCleaner was once a popular tool for system cleaning and performance improvement, there are several reasons users should think twice before installing it: security and privacy. In 2017, CCleaner suffered a cyber attack that led to the distribution of a version infected with malware, affecting millions of users. Although the company released updates to fix the issue, the incident raised concerns about the app's security. Potential system damage. CCleaner sometimes deletes temporary files or registry entries that may be necessary for certain programs or the system to function correctly, which can lead to errors or unexpected system issues. Exaggerated functions. Many of the features offered by CCleaner can be performed using built-in Windows tools, such as disk cleanup and startup program management, without the need to install additional software. Thus, it is recommended to avoid CCleaner and stick to the original Windows tools or use more secure and reliable programs for system optimization. Advanced SystemCare. Advanced SystemCare aims to enhance system performance by cleaning the registry, temporary files, and optimizing system settings. Despite its widespread popularity, there are several reasons to reconsider its use. False positives. The program tends to detect fake or insignificant issues on the system, making users believe there are numerous errors that need fixing, even though these issues might not require correction. Performance. Impact. Instead of improving system performance, the program may consume excessive computer resources, memory and CPU, leading to slower performance rather than faster. Integrated ads. Advanced SystemCare is filled with ads and promotions encouraging users to purchase additional products, which can be annoying and negatively affect the user experience. Unreliable tweaks. Some of the modifications made by the program, such as registry changes or startup settings, can lead to system instability or cause certain programs to malfunction. Instead of using these types of programs, it's better to rely on integrated Windows tools or reputable system maintenance software that does not cause unnecessary issues. Driver Booster. Driver Booster is a well-known program for automatically updating device drivers. While keeping drivers up to date is essential for maintaining system performance, there are several problems associated with using Driver Booster: unreliable updates. Sometimes, the program installs incompatible or unsuitable drivers, which can cause serious issues like device failures or system errors, such as blue screens. Excessive installation. The program alerts users to a large number of outdated drivers, even if they are working fine, pushing users to update them unnecessarily, which may lead to unexpected problems. Annoying ads. The software contains many ads and paid upgrades that try to convince users to buy the premium version, which can be consistently bothersome. Security risks. Relying on third parties to update drivers may expose the system to security risks, as drivers could be downloaded from unknown or untrusted sources. Instead of using programs like Driver Booster, it is better to use the built-in device manager in Windows to update drivers manually, or visit manufacturers' websites to get updates directly and safely. uTorrent. While uTorrent was once one of the most widely used torrent programs for downloading files, there are several reasons to avoid it: malware and unwanted bundles. uTorrent often comes with additional software, bloatware, or attachments during installation. In the past, developers even included cryptocurrency mining tools without user knowledge, which significantly affected computer performance. Intrusive ads. The free version of uTorrent is filled with ads that disrupt the user experience, along with constant promotions for upgrading to the paid version. Security and privacy. Using torrent programs in general, including uTorrent, may expose you to the risk of downloading files containing malicious software or exposing your personal information to hacking, especially if you are not using a VPN or other security measures. Resource consumption. The program may consume a significant amount of system resources, memory and CPU, especially if it is running in the background, leading to slower overall device performance. Legal risks. Using torrents may involve downloading copyrighted content illegally, which can expose users to legal risks in some countries. Instead of using uTorrent, consider more secure and ad-free alternatives like qTorrent, which offers a clean and safe user experience without unwanted attachments. Adobe Flash Player. Although Adobe Flash Player was once essential for playing multimedia content in browsers, it has become a source of many risks and issues. End of support. Adobe officially stopped supporting Flash Player at the end of 2020, which means it no longer receives security updates or fixes for any vulnerabilities, making it susceptible to cyber attacks. Security vulnerabilities. Flash Player was always a target for hackers due to the numerous security flaws that could be exploited. Continuing to use it now means exposing your device to the risk of malware or viruses. Poor performance. Flash Player was known for consuming a lot of system resources like CPU and memory, leading to slow devices and decreased performance, especially when playing video or games. Modern alternatives. Most websites and platforms have transitioned to using newer and more secure technologies such as HTML5, which eliminates the need for Flash Player altogether. Official recommendations. Even Adobe recommends that users uninstall Flash Player to protect their devices. If you have Flash Player installed, it is highly recommended to remove it immediately to ensure system security and stability. Java Runtime Environment, JRE. Although Java was once necessary for running many applications and games through browsers, the situation has changed now. Security vulnerabilities. The Java runtime environment has many security flaws that have been exploited by hackers to carry out attacks on systems. Regular updates do not guarantee complete security, as new vulnerabilities are constantly being discovered. Decreased usage. Most modern applications and websites no longer rely on Java, especially after the major shift to HTML5 and JavaScript. Thus, in most cases, installing JRE has become unnecessary. Performance impact. Java can consume system resources like CPU and memory, leading to a slower system, especially if you have multiple Java-based applications running in the background. Unnecessary installation. Some users install Java just because they think it is essential, while in reality, they might not need it at all in their daily usage. If you do not rely on a specific application that requires Java, it is better to avoid installing it, or if it is already installed and no longer needed, remove it to improve system security and performance. QuickTime. Although QuickTime was once one of the most popular media players, there are strong reasons to stop using it. End of support. Apple stopped supporting QuickTime for Windows since 2016. This means it no longer receives security updates or patches for vulnerabilities, making it susceptible to attacks and malware. Says security flaws. After Apple announced the end of QuickTime support, some security organizations issued warnings that the software contains vulnerabilities that could be exploited to infect the system with malware. Lack of necessity. QuickTime is no longer necessary for watching videos or playing media files, as there are many excellent alternatives like VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player, or even modern browsers that can handle video and audio better. Poor performance. QuickTime does not integrate well with modern versions of Windows, which can lead to performance issues or incorrect file playback. Therefore, if QuickTime is installed on your device, it is best to remove it and replace it with a more secure and efficient media player. McAfee Security Scan Plus. McAfee Security Scan Plus is a free program used to scan the system for viruses and threats, but there are several reasons to avoid it. Unnecessary tool. McAfee Security Scan Plus is just a scanning tool, not a full-fledged antivirus program. It does not provide real-time protection, but only scans the system and generates reports, making it ineffective compared to real antivirus programs that offer live protection. Automatic installation. This program is often installed automatically without the user's knowledge when downloading or installing other software, like Adobe Reader or Flash, making it unwelcome by many users. Annoying ads. The program tends to show annoying ads and notifications encouraging users to purchase the paid version of McAfee, causing continuous disturbance. Resource consumption. Despite being a simple tool, McAfee Security Scan Plus can consume system resources like memory and CPU, affecting the overall device performance. Alternative protection. Windows 10 already includes Windows Defender, a built-in and reliable antivirus program that provides good system protection without the need for additional software. Therefore, it is better to remove McAfee Security Scan Plus if it is installed on your device and rely on more effective programs for system protection, such as Windows Defender or other well-known antivirus software like Bitdefender or Kaspersky.